Hello Leute, willkommen zurück. In the previous video, we have learned the numbers from 0 to 20. Now, in this video, I will teach you the number from 21 to 100. Die Zahlen von 21 bis 100. So, los geht's. So, in the previous video, we have learned how to pronounce this number, that is 20. It's 20. 20. Similarly, for the other numbers, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100 oder 100. So, have you noticed? We add zig at the end. That means the ty in English, it's zig in German. But of course, there is an exception. The number 30 in German is 30, 30, not 30. So this letter HZ is a mixture between S and Z, and it's pronounced as HZ. HZ. Now, I will teach you the little numbers in between. So, how do we call these numbers 21, 22, 23 and so on in German? So, zum Beispiel 21. So, this number 21 in English, we call this as 20 and 1, that is 21. So, we are taking the tens place first and the ones place second. So, in German, there is a different pattern. So, to call this number in German, we take ones place first and then the tens place. So, it would be ein und 20. Ein und 20. Similarly, for 22, it's 22, 23, 24, and so on. So, now the practice time. So, what I want you to do is, I will show this number on screen and you have to guess how to pronounce this number in German. So, the first number is 58. So, how would you pronounce this? Of course, you remember. It would be 58. 58. The second number, 93. So, how this number would be in German? It would be 93. 93. Try to pronounce all these numbers in German and try to practice as much as possible while doing exercise, push-ups, crunches, so that you will remember all this number and you will also get in shape. So, das ist alles für heute. Treffen wir uns bald. Tschüss.